Hi guys and welcome to this video. In this video, I'll be showing you my live intraday trading and also I'll be showing you guys on what are the trades I traded and I'll be doing you my live intraday trading and live market analysis and also I'll be telling you guys how you can make consistent profit like us. Okay, so to get all this information, make sure you watch this video till the end. So okay, the pre-open market is now closed and the market is opening in the downtrend, that is minus 0.30%, and the Nifty is opening at 11,289 and the advanced stocks are 14 and the declines are 32 and the unchanged stocks are 4. So this is how the pre-open market is looking today. And coming to the stocks which are opening in the upper trend in pre-open market are Eicher Motors, that is 1.20% up, and SBIN, it's almost like 0.49% up. Okay, so coming to the stock which are opening in the downtrend are Kotak Bank, that is 1.07% down, and Tata Motors, even that stock is opening at 1.06% down. So these are the two downtrend stocks and we'll see how the market will go today. So whatever trades I take, I'll do a live trading today and I'll update you guys. Okay, so guys, right now the market is falling. Okay, it's minus 0.50% down, the Nifty is. So we have decided to trade on Zeal now. Okay, we have decided to take the Zeal trade. So hopefully it will be a buy trade and I'm not yet decided my levels yet. So once I decided the level, I'll update you guys where I'm entering the buy side or the sell side. So hopefully it may be a buy side, so I'll update you guys. And before that, if you're new to our channel, make sure you hit the subscribe button and also hit the bell icon to get all the notifications from my channel. I'll be uploading a lot of educational videos, intraday trading strategies, tricks, tips, and a lot of things in my channel. So make sure you stay tuned for that. Okay, and also if you're new to the stock market trading, if you're having losses and want to recover your losses and want to learn how to make money consistently in intraday trading, you can join my course. I do provide NSE and MCX trading course. The course prices are very less and reasonably priced. You can check all of the details in my blogspot, that is tradingzero.blogspot.in. The link is in the description below of this video. So many of the people has got into my trading program and now they are making money constantly, and people who had losses are now starting to recover their losses. You can watch all of these things with the earning proof here with the ledgers. And if you guys are interested and motivated to make consistent profit like this, you can join us today. Once you join us, you will be getting lifetime support and live market guidance also. I'll be teaching you guys personally how you can make consistent profit in intraday trading. And also if you're new to the stock market trading, I'll be guiding you from the basics to make you earn consistent profit. And also if you're having losses, I'll be helping you to recover your losses. You can go through all of these feedback messages and earning proof. So if you guys wish to stop your losses from today and want to start making consistent profit like this, you can message me on the WhatsApp number displayed on the screen to get in touch with me and to take the course and learn how you guys can make consistent profit from today. And also these are the advantages and benefits what you get once you join us. So once you join us, you will be able to earn consistently in trading. I'll be teaching you 95% accuracy, unique and secret strategies with no indicators, and also I'll be teaching you guys how to pick the stocks every day and a very good timing and discipline what is needed. Just by spending only 15 to 30 minutes per day, you can make 10% profit on a capital. That is, you can earn 1000 rupees per day with the investment of just 10,000 only. And also, I'll be guiding you with a very good money management system and a risk-free trading system. And also, as you guys know, my course prices are very less and reasonably priced. Okay, so guys, by being said that, now let me show you my live trade what I did. So guys, yes, the stock is rising up. Okay, so we are on the buy side of Zeal right now. So we'll expect this to go around 163 maybe. So we'll see how the stock will perform now. So we are on the buy side of Zeal right now. So the time is around almost like 9:43 something now. So we'll see how the Zeal will perform. So guys, as you can see, I bought it at 162. Okay, so Zeal have bought it at 162 and now it's at 161.5. So we'll see how this will perform now. So I'm still waiting for it to go up. So guys, yes, as you guys can see, it's at 163 now. So once I bought, the stock went a bit down and now it's coming up to the levels again. So I had to wait for it to get the uptrend. So now the uptrend is continuing. Okay, so it's almost around 163 now. So as you guys saw, I bought it around 162. Okay, so we'll see how the Zeal will perform yet. So as you guys can see, the Zeal high made is 164 as of now. Okay, so let me just show you my order book again. So I just bought it at 162 and I sold back at 163.50, and this was the profit what I was able to achieve today in today's trade of Zeal, and this was the call what was given to my client also. So if you guys wish to earn consistent profit like this, you can join us today. Okay, so I'll be teaching you guys how we can make consistent profit like us, and we don't use any indicators. These are all almost like 90 to 95% accuracy strategies without any indicators. Okay, so if you guys wish to learn how to make consistent profit like this, you can join us today. You can message me on the WhatsApp number displayed on the screen to get in touch with me and to take the course and learn how you guys can make consistent profit from. So guys, these are the profit what was booked by my clients also. So they have shared the screenshot with me. So 1500 rupees profit, 20,733 rupees profit, 1800 rupees profit, and 1450 rupees profit. So these are the profit what we're able to book today in today's trade of Zeal. So if you guys wish to earn consistent profit like this, you can join us today. And also you guys can go inside my channel and watch all the other videos. There are a lot of educational videos, strategies, tricks, tips, and a lot of things in my channel. So watch all of these things and subscribe to my channel if you're not subscribed. And also every day I upload how much profit we made and on what stock we traded with the profit proof every single day. So if you guys wish to earn consistent profit like this and want to stop your losses from today, you can join us now. So thank you guys so much for watching this video. Have a good day. I'll see you in the next one very soon.